Welcome friends. So in this session we are going to learn passive voice of perfect future tense. I have written the formula on this white board. In affirmative sentence, the formula is object plus shall have been or will have been plus V3 plus by. Rikhil will have completed this work by 5 o'clock tomorrow. I am repeating the sentence. Rikhil will have completed this work by 5 o'clock tomorrow. Now, in that sentence, this work is an object. So, this work will have been completed. This work will have been completed by Rikhil by 5 o'clock tomorrow. Now, for negative sentence, I have written a formula like object plus shall not have been or will not have been plus V3 plus by. So, they will not have done that work by 5 o'clock tomorrow. So, that work will not have been done by them by 5 o'clock. Now, simple interrogative sentence. The formula is will have or shall have plus object plus been plus V3 plus by plus question mark, friends. So, will you have written this letter before the bell rings? So, will have that letter been written by you before the bell rings? That is the passive form. Now, interrogative sentence is a question word. So, in the beginning we write question word plus shall have, will have, plus object, plus be, plus V3, plus by, plus question mark. Who will have drawn this picture by the time the principal comes? Who will have drawn this picture by the time the principal comes? So, by whom will have this picture been drawn by the time the principal comes? Question mark. Now, I have written one sentence for your practice work. He will have done this work by 4 o'clock. So, this is the affirmative sentence, friend. So, we have to use this formula object plus will have been plus V3 plus by. So, let us see in this sentence, this work is an object. So, passive voice part we have to write down in passive voice what we shall do. So, this work will have been done, will have been done by him by 4 o'clock. By 4 o'clock. This work will have been done by him by 4 o'clock. This is an object, this work. Will have been done, he by him by 4 o'clock. So, in perfect future tense, friends, we use shall have been or will have been plus V3. So, this is very simple. Remember one thing, in English language, passive voice has only 8 tenses. For 4 tenses, passive voice is not possible, friend. Which are those? So, continuous perfect present tense, continuous perfect past tense, continuous perfect future tense and continuous future tense. For these 4 tenses in English language, There is no passive voice. They are always used, they are always written in active voice, friends. So we have discussed, we have learned, we have practiced the passive voice formula for 8 tenses. Which were those? The simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, continuous present tense, continuous past tense, and perfect present tense, perfect past tense, and perfect future tense. Is it clear, friend? So, the concept of passive voice formula must be clear in your mind if you want to improve your written and spoken English, friend. Do some homework at your place, be with us, and I'm sure you are enjoying this video. So friend, did you like this video? Do like this video and do subscribe our channel for more and more updates. Okay friends, we are meeting in our next session. In the meanwhile, bye friends.